what are the corrections in Parsvottanasana. So in Parsvottanasana, she is keeping the foot slightly outside. So make sure your foot is 45-degree incline inward and the other foot is 90-degree. The other correction, can you see here? She is hunching her back and trying to touch the knee. So this is completely wrong. Slowly come up, Shweta. So when you are bending forward, make sure you are bending from the lower back. First open the chest, inhale, stretch your spine straight. While bending forward, bend from the lower back and keep the spine straight. Try to take your head towards the knee. The third mistake here, you can see her right leg is bent slightly. So make sure in this pose, both the knees are straight but not locked. The fourth mistake here, you can see her torso is slightly away from the leg. So make sure when you bend forward, the complete torso is facing towards the front leg. And when you go down, the entire torso is in line with the right leg.